Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Tasty Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very unique and delicious fish recipe, which is Chital Fish Kofta Curry, which should be very delicious. So friends, let's get started with this amazing fish recipe, where I will also show you how to debone the fish easily. So to make kofta curry or Chitol Macher Muitha, you will need the gada part of chital fish, where you will find lots of bones, and many people find it difficult to eat the gada part of chital fish compared to the peti or kolothi part. So I normally make kofta curry from this part of chital fish and then enjoy the fish fully as it tastes so good. So I'm going to show you in detail how to debone the fish easily. For that, you need to cut the fish in the middle part with a sharp cleaver knife, which my husband is going to do as I am not pro in cutting big fish. And here my husband is doing the job of cutting the gada part of the chital fish into half so that I can debone the fish easily. This is almost done, I guess. And here I would like to thank my husband for making my job easier. Next, take a spoon with a sharp edge if possible, or any other regular spoon is also okay. And then we need to gently scoop out the flesh and transfer them to a bowl. Continue this process. Well, this is a slightly tedious job, but the end result is so delicious that this part does not bother me anymore. And this process of deboning both the part of the chital fish will take about 20 to 25 minutes. And gradually you will see long bones which are sticks to the bottom of the fish skin. So in this way you can easily collect the flesh without the bones. And this part you can discard now, as there is no more flesh left, only bones with the skin. And in the same way I will scoop out the flesh from the other portion also. So our fish keema is ready, and now I'm going to season them with half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of onion ginger garlic paste, few slices of red chili, 1 egg, some chopped coriander leaves. This is 1/3 cup of besan or ground flour, which I will add bit by bit. And now with clean hands mix all the ingredients well. I will add now the remaining besan or ground flour so that the mixture binds well. And our fish keema mixture is ready to make balls. I'll add 1 teaspoon of oil. Give this a mix. And now we need to grease some oil into our palm. Take a small portion of the fish keema and give this the shape of a ball. And in the same way I will make the remaining fish ball. And here are my fish balls to make koftas, and now I'm going to slightly fry them. For that, heat some oil in a karhai, and when the oil is hot we'll add the fish koftas one by one. Keep the flame on medium. After about 1 to 2 minutes, we'll flip the fish koftas and fry them until they turn golden brown from both the sides. Add the remaining fish koftas and fry them as well. And by now the fish koftas are fried golden brown, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And here are my fried hot and crisp fish koftas. You can enjoy them right away as a snack or starter with some chutney or sauce. And now we shall start making our fish kofta curry. And now in the same karhai where I had fried the fish koftas, I will add 2 bay leaves, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 3 green cardamoms and 3 to 4 cloves. Saute them well for a while. Next goes 3 tablespoons of onion ginger garlic paste. Fry them until the raw taste goes away. Then goes the puree of 2 medium tomatoes, and we need to fry them until the color changes and oil starts to separate. And by now the onion ginger garlic paste and tomato puree has been fried well. At this stage we'll add some spices. Here goes around 1 teaspoon of Kashmir red chili powder, some salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, and half teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder. Now saute them well on low flame. Next goes 3 tablespoons of cashew paste. This will make the gravy rich and thick. Fry them for another 1 to 2 minutes on low to medium flame. And now I will add some water from the grinder jar where I had made the onion ginger garlic paste. Add water accordingly to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Give this a mix. And as the gravy starts to boil, we'll add the fried fish koftas one by one. And on medium flame, we'll let the fish koftas simmer in the gravy for just 2 to 3 minutes. And before turning off the flame, I will add 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder and some chopped coriander leaves. Mix this once. And our fish kofta is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our rich and delicious Chital Fish Kofta Curry into the serving bowl. Enjoy this amazing fish kofta curry with hot steamed rice, and I'm sure you're going to love this. So do try this recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.